exam timetable. Exam timetable is one of the extremely important phase for candidates to be well prepared in advance for their examination. Sadly, this same phase, the timetable has attracted terrible, serious consequences to candidates preparing for various examinations every year. I tell you, due to the availability and the usage of wrong, fake, and even unofficial examination timetable. Now, what do you think we can do to curb these activities? What do you think we can do to conquer these terrible consequences? Now, don't worry about that. We've actually created interesting mechanism to provide the official NECO timetable to candidates every year. But before then, this channel, Do You Know AGL, is an educational channel who've been creating videos for students, free videos for students. I told you we've created many videos on WAEC past questions before this very time. Now we'll be creating many videos for NECO students so that you'll be able to pass your exams excellently this very year. Is it on mathematics, physics, biology, chemistry, and all other subjects like that, so that you can pass your exams once and for all. Just make sure you click the red subscribe button and the main thing, the notification bell beside it, so that you will get our videos immediately when we upload them. Now, I'm telling you, this video is not only for the official NECO timetable for this very year. It also includes our just created WhatsApp group for students. It could also be useful for NECO students and some other students like that that are ready to learn how to help an examiner to award you marks. I tell you, you will also know how to get maximum marks from difficult questions. Just make sure you watch it to the very end. How to read off when you sleep. I would also talk about the advice of 2018-2019 candidates that had excellent results in their WAEC and NECO examination. You would also know how to get various past questions that we've actually solved on this channel. Now, back to the official NECO timetable for candidates every year, and even how to use it. This is it. What we've actually made is that even if this year is actually 2025 or 2028, we need to get the official NECO timetable for that very year by this very video. So that means that if you actually have a brother or a sibling or people like that would like to do their examination at that very particular time, you can just come back to this very video to check this very mechanism, and you'll be able to download that official timetable. And if it's not yet out, would tell you there, so you will not be given the fake timetable. And this is the simple mechanism. You can just check the description section for this very year timetable, so you will see the timetable there. Now, for the other things that we've actually said, wow, honestly, I'm really glad you are still watching. Now, the first thing I will talk about is our WhatsApp group. So if you would like to join other students like you can just check the description section for the link to that very group. Now, for others, I would like you to exercise patience, and this is the very thing. Number one is that you would actually go through this very video to the very end, so that you will get the best one for you, and you will come back to click that very card, so that you will be able to get the best. Or you can just go through everything and click one. After you've watched that, you click the second one also. Now you watch that, click the third one also, and like that. Now, the first one you can see on the screen right now is about how to pass your NECO examination. I tell you, it includes those that had excellent results in their WAEC 2018-19. Even NECO said that could help, so you will be able to get the best from this very video. You can also come back and click the card you can see on the screen right now. It includes how to answer questions correctly to get straight A's. I tell you, it includes number one, how to get maximum marks from difficult questions, how to help an examiner to award you marks. I tell you, even the do's and don'ts you should know before you enter that very examination hall. You can also come back and click the card you can see on the screen right now. You see some people 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, they've actually slept off. I told you, this very video will tell you the cause of this very thing, how to stop it. I tell you the exact thing you should do to curb this very habits, and you will never fall asleep again if you use them very well. Now, after all this, don't tell me you've not subscribed though. Click the red subscribe button and the notification bell, my friend, so that you get more videos that would help you to prepare for your exams this very year. You can also click and watch the big card you can see on the screen right now. I tell you, it includes various soft past questions. I tell you, is it on mathematics, is it on physics, is it on chemistry, and all other subjects that will help you to pass your exams this very year. Kindly encourage me by clicking the red subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget, the name of this very channel is what? Do you know?